This isn't really, this is not my sort of type of tile. But everyone to their own. Now, you see DIYs, the way I'm laying it is, this is how I worked the whole thing out. That's where I start. It's a full tile to my water stop there, full tile there, and I'll have a cut against that wall and a cut against that wall and a cut against that wall. Some people love this sort of thing. No, it looks pretty effective. I'm a fan of the bigger tile and less grout lines. Now see my fall there? That's noise. Noise. It's all falling nicely. There's going to be a 1200 screen, just a sheet of glass there. I haven't made my glue runny. I've stiffened it up just a little so it sits up and doesn't squash, because this tile is about 7mm. I'm using a 12mm notchy. I like plenty of glue under my tile, but don't have it, DIYs, don't have your glue too runny that it squishes up. Always try and keep your lines clean. And I actually should be where are we? I always tell you to wipe your line, and I'm not doing it myself. Where's my trowel? My hand trowel. With this sort of tiling, you've got to concentrate. Concentrate on what you're doing, people. In other parts of Australia, say like Melbourne, I live on the Gold Coast. everyone's into big tiles, you know, big floor tile. Melbourne, they love their pattern tile like this. I did ask the owners where are they from, because you can usually tell. Right, so that's it. I'll put some more glue down there and we're off and running. I might have to miter these. Oh, I might be lucky if I have to just back cut it so I can get it against the aluminium nicely to make a nice joint. No, it'll work out well. That's nice. I've been wanting to get I've got to get a bit of fall, which I am. So yeah, that's cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Not fast enough. It's not fast enough for me though. Anyway, I'll see you soon, everyone. DIYs. If you like this sort of thing, do it, but don't expect to lay it in 5 minutes. We'll see you. Subscribe. Press the button. I'll teach you how to tile. Lean in. Watch what I do. I've been a tiler for 35 years. And I like to think that I nearly know everything about tiling, but there's always a new way of doing things. It all changes, so that's what I do. I change with the times. You've got to, or you get left behind. DIYs, you're learning straight off, so lean on in and learn. We'll see ya.